But
Today we will be installing my PRL intercooler. Damn, she's thick.
She's thick. And it even says PRL? No.
I know, that's pretty dope.
It's not gonna say PRL, is it?
Nope.
What? Oh.
We got Jack. We got Jack.
Why? Was there an option or something? We're gonna have to do it ourselves. People that
Never
don't
mind
know.
PRL.
Tattoo time, bro.
So yeah, if anybody else that thought what I was thinking when we opened it, yeah.
Position.
We were wrong. You were right. Sorry for the mistake.
Don't bullshit me, Smoke.
Update. We went to AutoZone and O'Reilly's. Got some paint. Now we're gonna paint this bad boy. Personally. Damn, you're just getting right into it. I didn't even know you were gonna start, bro.
I'll do one more quick little spray, and then we're going for the cut.
Camera's on you. Great job.
This art project. I like it, Picasso.
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
Wow, so couldn't have done better myself. Look at that dirty ass radiator. Damn.
Full of bad bitches, lot of pills, lot of weed, and a lot of liquor. Bring a hash on her car, bitch, I'm rich and double cup. Ain't no time being wasted, time to roll another up. Niggas get
Finally done. Put the stock grill on. Doesn't look too bad.
Intercooler,
All
give it a
thanks to
little
these-
touch.
Yes, sir. But that's it. Peace out.
Like plus follow, heart.